What's up, guys? So here we are back with another CCI video, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed your 4th of July weekend. After a long vacation, I'm back here on YouTube. Had to take a break, guys. It's been quite a grind on YouTube, and a lot of the stocks were trading at super high prices. I really didn't see any great deals available, but now I'm starting to see a bit of the market cooling off. So I think now it's really time to talk a little bit more about these EV stocks. You know, they were really soaring. We had stocks like Tesla, ChargePoint, CCIV, even stocks like Workhorse were really soaring. So now, after a little bit of cool off, I think it's time to start talking about these companies once again, guys. So let's get right into the video. So CCIV has been on a pretty rocky road, guys. So after the stock had really sold off, it's been on quite of a slight of a bullish run. We had a little bit of a pullback here, as you can see here on July 1st. So now the stock has gone down a little bit and it's cooled off, but I really think that this is an excellent stock to talk about right now because we have a couple of catalysts coming up. So the biggest catalyst is obviously the merger. The merger is going to be voted on and approved most likely on, I would say, July 23rd. So this is according to FX Street. So they think that the merger is going to be approved then. So, we'll see actually, what ends up happening, but hopefully, obviously, it would make sense for them to approve this merger. And now this company can start producing these vehicles. So if you guys have been following any of my videos in the past, you know how bullish I am on Lucid Motors. I think they are just simply the Apple when it comes to luxury EV cars. And we're so early in the EV market, guys. Things haven't really gotten started at all. There's a lot of potential upside. So now I want to talk a little bit more about what's really going on with this stock. So for you guys that have been following my channel for now, I really like to buy stocks. When I'm looking to make short-term positions, I like to buy on dips. And the easiest way to find dips in the stock market is I like to use the indicator down here called the RSI. So basically the RSI, if you guys have been following my videos, it's called the Relative Strength Index. This is when it's down here at 30 or below. We call this very a bearish sentiment on the market, which is a great time to buy. So that's when I would say when the RSI is like below 30, there's a lot of fear in the market. And then when the RSI is at 70 or above, as you can see as it was back here earlier, or even just as of recently, that's when I say there's a lot of greed in the market. So, if you're looking to trade in and out of these stocks, I would say definitely sell into greed and buy into fear. So you want to buy these stocks when people are afraid to hold them, and then you want to sell them when everyone really wants them. But if you take a look at CCIV, we can see here that over the long run, even just early in February when the whole EV market was booming, this stock was trading at around $64 before the merger was even approved. So the ticker symbol hasn't changed, the merger hasn't approved. There's just so many catalysts, I think, that are coming up for this stock, yet it's still 50% off its previous highs. So we have a lot of catalysts to talk about. The company's hit over 10,000 reservations. This product is heavily funded by the Saudi investment fund, one of the top investment funds. This is the same investment fund that bought Carnival stock at $8. The fact that we're only about $12 above the SPAT price. There's just so many bullish catalysts here, and I think the stock is at an excellent price. So of course, this is not investment advice. I'm not a personal financial advisor, but I do own a position in CCIV. So now we want to talk a little bit about where I think we're going to give you guys a couple of price predictions and upside. So I've kind of reiterated this, but now we're really starting to get close to that merger date. So now I think is a huge turning point in this stock. And the reason I think so is I think a lot of people are going to FOMO into Lucid Motors. So obviously we know stocks like Tesla. So if you take a quick look at Tesla, to give you guys kind of a reference point, we can take a look at Tesla. Tesla's trading around $660. But for you guys that are new to the markets, I know a lot of you guys probably have started investing maybe this year, or maybe you started investing back when EV stocks were running really high. A lot of people tend to get into the market at tops, at peaks when people are really excited. So this chart is a little bit misleading, okay? So Tesla stock is currently trading at $660, but the company did a 5-to-1 split last year. So if we really look at the real stock price of Tesla before the split, this is a $3,000 plus stock. So if we do some quick math, this stock is really trading at about $3,000 and 3,000 and yeah, sorry. So yeah, this stock is basically trading at around $3,000 and $300 split adjusted. So when I say split adjusted, that means obviously the company split and they have like around 1 billion shares outstanding, something like that. But if we were to basically go backwards and undo the split, this is a $3,000 stock. So wow, that's amazing upside. But a lot of people that are new to the market, you might not see that. You might not understand that when it comes to Tesla stock. So if we take a look here, we go all the way back to 2010. Tesla stock, basically started trading at around, at one point it was even at $3, but let's just say it started trading at around like $7, $8, something like that. So split adjusted, that would be $6. Let's say $8 times 5, $40. So Tesla stock over the last 10 years, well, last 11 years or so, went from $40 all the way up to $3,300 split adjusted. So why is this important? Well, this is why I'm so excited about CCIV, because CCIV is, in my opinion, it's like Tesla 2.0. This is a company that has leadership. The CEO, Peter Rawlinson, he worked with the Model S for Tesla. He has experience. And this car company has the ability to basically take a lot of market share from Tesla in terms of the luxury vehicle market. So they're probably not going to beat out Tesla in terms of like production, but they're going to beat out Tesla in terms of a nicer product. I think an overall nicer vehicle. And that's one of the reasons why Tesla really rushed out the Model S Plaid, because I think they're a little bit nervous of Lucid Motors. So the fact that Tesla stock went from $40 to $3,300 split adjusted over 10 years or so, 11 years, depending on how you want to look at it, I think there's a lot of upside for Lucid Motors. Now, I don't know if they're going to go in that same trajectory, but looking at Tesla stock, as Tesla is basically traded well along with its production, I think as long as Lucid Motors produces and they have a lot of demand for their vehicles, this stock could have ridiculous gains like Tesla did. So just keep that in mind here. So my short-term price target for this, I'm looking at this stock probably at around over $100. It could probably 10x within the next 2 to 3 years. If it goes from like 40 all the way to $3,000, $3,300 split adjusted like Tesla did, that would be amazing as well. But I would say we definitely want to taper our expectations with Lucid Motors, because they have a lot more shares outstanding. When this merger gets completed, they're going to have over 1 billion shares outstanding. So I don't think it's really likely for the stock to have as much upside, because usually with the more supply, the lower the share price, and a lot of times the lower the upside. But I do think this stock can easily 10x within the next 2 to 3 years. I think it's easy money, and I even tweeted out on my Twitter, guys, if you're looking for a stock, I think to hold, and you want to retire by 2030, and you're looking for a stock in a good space with a lot of upside, I think CCIV, about to become Lucid Motors, is one of your best bets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. We're back in flow. We're going to start uploading more content again after the short vacation hiatus. And let me know if you guys want to cover any more EV stocks in the space. We're just looking for kind of new content ideas. And with the markets at a bit of an all-time high, I don't see a lot of strong buys here like I did a month ago or during the May 13th dip. But I do think there is a few catalysts for CCIV, so I like this stock. So that's until next time, guys. Make sure to smash the thumbs up button. You enjoy my content. Take care.